Hello, hi, it's Liz here and I'm back with my World of Weird altered book. We've done 4 pages. Yeah, properly weird. And this one, you win the hat competition, and this one I'm getting through it with getting through the edge. So we'll do something, and I think we'll do a little double page on these 2 pages here. So this is the sticker book that I'm using. I'm determined to use quite a few of the stickers for this altered book. So yeah, I have this one and this one here, but I feel sure the stickers I'm using today are from this one, but they're all kind of much the same sort of style. So, oh, they're heavy. Okay, so today we are going to do a gallery like you get in a stately home or a manor house. So I am going to make these 2 pages as if they are wallpaper with a sort of wooden below, like wooden panelling you get in these old country castles, country houses, manor houses. So that's going to be the start of my background. So we'll get them stuck on. Just going to use my glue stick. No, I quite like the shabbiness of that side. So that's what we'll do. So I haven't shown you the stickers yet that I'm going to use. I think you will be, well, I hope you will be amused by this page. When I look through the sticker book, I try to find some stickers that will go together, and these 3 certainly have made a set. So wait till I just get something to lean on. Let's just use this. And of course, where that joins, we will put a rail, a dado rail, because all big country houses have wooden panelling and a dado rail, don't you think? Right, that's quite a boring bit done, but I didn't want to come on and have that already done, because some folks like to see the blank page and like to see exactly what you're doing the whole way through. So this is what I'm going to use as my dado rail. They're 2 slightly different die cuts. I got these in Happy Mail from my YouTube friend Barbie over at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to start in the middle, and then I'm going to add a bit of that there and a bit of that there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So we'll just give this a wee fold in the middle so that it's nice and easy to fold, so that it's already got a fold in it when the book closes. Yeah. So I'm just going to use this for this because I think it might be a wee bit bouncy. So we'll just go along the edge. And I can just go right the way along, and then that's it done for the next bit. A little stringy bit there. Right, so we're just going to plop middle there. Some of it will get covered up. There we are, and that keeps it nice and even. Some things need to be even and some things need to be skew-if. This dado rail needed to be even. Okay, I think that is nearly straight. Yep, that'll do. And I think what we'll do next is ink round the edges before we stick anything else on. So I've got my vintage photo here and a little bit of sponginess. Just because my papers don't go right to the edge, and plus it gives it that kind of oldness. Now let's see if we can just go in a little bit at the corners. The corners always get dirty in walls first, don't they? And we're pretending this is a wall in a stately home or a manor house or a castle, something like that. Right, in fact, we're going to call it Quirkville Manor Gallery. That's going to be our title. So I think we'll just get that stuck on there right away. Yeah. Let me just get my rather large piece of scrap, which isn't really a piece of scrap, but it was handy. Right, I'm just going to leave that to the side. I should have glued this one first. Right. Okay, let's see where. Yeah, that'll do. Yep. Okay, the suspense is killing me, I bet you. So, we have this chap, and he is, let me introduce you one at a time. He is second cousin Big Bill, and his nickname was Beaky. These are all old and passed on relatives in Quirkville Manor, and every time the current residents of the manor house go past, they all shout, "Hi, Beaky." And this chap is great uncle Frederick of Foxhall. So he didn't actually live in Quirkville Manor, but he visited every day, and they loved when Uncle Fred came round because he brought sweeties with him. And this chap is simply a friend of the family, and he is called Gregory Peck. And his nickname is Greg. And if anybody dared call Gregory Pecky or anything like that, he would get super annoyed and yell at them. See, my name's Greg or Gregory. Right, let's just see if we can get this on. So as usual, I stuck my stickers onto spare paper and fussy cut round so that you don't get the border, because some of the stickers have quite a big border and I'm not keen. So, and now my fingers are super sticky. And I think this is just such a fun page. A rogues gallery. And I'll show you what I stamped, the stamps I used for the alphabet stamps in a sec. Let's get Great Uncle Frederick down, a family favourite. I'd love to know in the comments if you've got these sticker books and what you do with yours, because you know, some of them are really quite odd. There's quite a lot of strange looking, what looks like fish and things from the sea, and I was trying to think of something like, you know, could you do a pretend fish tank, or could you do something with the fish, and I just couldn't think of anything that I could actually get on a book page. I love Gregory. I like that he's a friend of the family, but still gets to go on the wall. I think this might need some of this, just because it's on top of that other stuff. Oh. Right, I think, is that it? I have brought out my pen because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go round the edge with a line just to kind of bring it together. Oh, I hope I was in the middle there. I never looked at the camera. Now I see that I should have been up a wee bit. Sorry about that. I hope you got the gist of it. Yeah. So, to line round or not to line round? I think we'll go for it. We'll maybe do a double line, because this is not very straight. So if you can't do it straight, the best thing to do is make it wobbly and then do the second line on top of the first line. A rule to live by. Okay, do we want a second line? Or are we happy with the... Maybe we'll do some squiggles. There, I think maybe I'm going to leave it there. And I hope I was in shot and not down here fiddling about. Oh, anyway, it's done. And yeah, so thanks for joining me today. Let's see how it... Oh yeah, yeah, it's different from the other ones. I'm liking that. Okay, thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.